Question 14, y is directly proportional to the square of k plus 3. Y is directly proportional means y equal x plus 3 all to the power 2. All to the power 2. This called a relation. This called a relation. We have to find the value of k. To find the value of k, we have to be x and y given. X equals 2, y equals 5. Then 5 equals k 2 plus 3 all to the power 2, which is equal 25. We will send 25 by division. K equals 1 over 5. Now we have a relation. Y equals 1 over 5 x plus 3 power 2. To get your third mark, you have to solve the simple question. Find y when x equals 1. Find y when x equals 1. 1 plus 3 to the power 2, which is equal to 16 over 5. Or you can convert it to decimal, which is 3.2. Thank you.